Hello everyone. Okay, finally I have my journal Flora from paperomia finished. Some pages are blank because this will be a journal for my mom, her birthday, so I can pick there photos from her deceased husband, family, and from my and her grandchild's in it. So this is what I have done. I created the cover with stencils, paint, lace, a thing with handmade, some pearls. Also, I tried to make a croquet with wooden letters, Flora, butterfly, a wooden flower, and yes, that was my first attempt to create this. The back side also tried to make a round one. An envelope with a postcard in it. Also lace at the side. You can see every page I have lace. Light pink, purple, dark purple, pink, green, light orange, and every page. Because it's Flora, it's spring, I'm happy. Okay, here we go. A little envelope with the words picnic, lovely stamp, lace, and the die cuties. A pocket, a lot of tags in it. There's a belly band. I have used everything out of the kit from Peperomia. Again, the Flora text. Roses, little table, roses. This one. You could see it's a very big journal. I miscalculated myself. I have done 80 pages. A pocket in the middle. Lots of room for writing yourself. This is, yeah, has 80 pages. It's a huge, but okay. I love all the flowers. Decided pocket holder. A little. Oh, I forgot to. I print the sometimes the die cuts on sticker paper. Hope you can see it. Again, I create this sticker on it. Again, another one, 3 pocket. A little leaf, a wood with the word sun, a little croquet. It's not the name croquet, but I say croquet because my English is not so good, but you know what you see and you know what I mean. Look at these pages I want to do for my mom. Another 3-side pocket. Lovely text. Some die cuts of paper are for myself, on my own stash. Little envelope with 2 tickets in it. Postcard, tag, every card. You can see here. Journaling. These come out. But what I have done for the first time, I make a little notepad, notebook. Of course with lace. This time I Don't go crazy with the lace. Okay? Everything where you do use the lace and ink. Again, the side pockets. It's new for me, so I want to try it all. And the last. Oh. So you can see this is my journal. Thanks for watching, and I hope you see you next time. Bye bye.